Hey everyone! Is your LG dishwasher stuck showing a CL code and the buttons won't work? Don't panic, it's not a major error. That CL simply means child lock or control lock is turned on, which disables all the buttons to prevent accidental presses. Fixing it is usually super easy. Just look for the button or pair of buttons on your control panel that has a little padlock symbol or says Control Lock. Press and hold those buttons for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should hear a beep, and the CL code will disappear from the display. Now, just select your favorite wash cycle and hit Start. Your dishwasher should be back to normal. If it's still stuck, your model might have a different button combo, so it's a good idea to check your user manual. For more detailed guides on this and other dishwasher fixes, head over to my website, dishwasherusa.com. Thanks for watching.